welcome back to my channel, JJ's Hanger. Did you guys watch my last video when I went to Diggerland and I was driving those heavy trucks? So today we are going to unbox the toys of them. Let's unbox them. These are the toys of Diggerland, and you can actually dig. It's excavator. Now let's take the mixer truck. Do you know what the mixer do? The mixer truck takes all the sand and soil out and puts it in here. They put it in here, then it goes in here. Now we will take the loader. And last, we will take the dump truck. I love dump trucks. Work together and they'll help together. You know how? So the excavator digs everything out. Then the loader truck takes everything. It loads it to the dump truck. Then the dump truck loads it into the mix truck. So that's how they do all the work. Now let's play with them. I hope you liked my video. Please like and follow my channel, JJ's Hanger. Bye. See you next time. I'm going to play with them.